Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I will be creating a card which is a lantern shape, and it also is a shaker card. For that card I have created a template. It is free for you to download. Please find the link below the video. And please also read the rules for using the free templates. The template is made by me, and if you will be using it, I'm basically asking you to tag me on your social media when you are publishing the project. So let's start. I have printed the template on the patterned paper. You can print it on a white card, create a template out of it first, and then maybe draw around it if you do not have a printer, but you can also print it straight away on the paper you want to use for your lantern. I am using Lemoncraft Natural Christmas collection. It has that beautiful dark brown wooden pattern paper, and that wooden side will be used for my lantern. So please, if you are printing the template, print it on the not on the side you want to use, just on the other side. After the printing, I'm just going to cut it out. My knife is not the best, it's quite it's not so sharp anymore, so I have to do it slowly and carefully, and it's actually the best to do it like that, not to ruin the template. In the next step, I'm going to adhere the piece of clear sheet to the lantern. It will be my glass for the lantern, and also it will stop the sequins and the microbeads I will have in the shaker from falling out. The lantern looks lovely already, but we still have a lot to do. So after that, I'm going to cut out 3 frames out of the chipboard. Then I will glue them together, and this will be the frame for my for the elements for my shaker box. When the frame for your shaker box is ready, you can adhere it to the lantern, and then it will be ready to put some sequins, microbeads, glitter, whatever you want to use for your shaker card. It's time to add elements to your shaker box. I have glitter, white and clear microbeads, and also sequins. I don't like to add too many pieces, but if you like to have a lot, you can still add a lot of pieces because it's a quite big box. And then I'm going to adhere the background to the lantern, and before I will decorate the card, I'm going to wait for glue to dry. If you will not wait, there is a big chance that the pieces will be stuck to the side of your shaker box frame. And after that, I will adhere the card base to the lantern. Of course, you don't need to create the card base because that lantern can be a tag or it can be a Christmas decoration. It doesn't need to be a card. I want it to be a card, so I have created the card base, but it's not necessary. So after adhering the card base to the lantern, it's time to decorate my project. For decorating, I'm going to use the elements which are cut out of the Natural Christmas paper collection, handmade flowers, die-cut leaves, chipboard elements, and few other pieces like piece of the wooden ring, and not ring, the wooden slice, you could say, a piece of cinnamon, and that will be it actually. So I will let you watch me creating the composition, and then I will talk to you at the end of the video. adding glitter to a Christmas card is must for me. I love sparkle, and actually I'm using that clear glitter which looks more like eyes on the project. And then I'm going to add splats of white acrylic paint. This is the step which you can avoid if you don't like the splatting. I do just love it. And then the last thing I'm going to add to the project is just that snow paste, or you could use texture paste on the palette knife. I'm tapping it onto the project to create like a snow, and this will be it. I just loved that card. I think it turned out really nicely, and I'm hoping I will inspire you to create yours. Please remember, you've got the free template in the description. The link is in the description below the video. I will be very happy to see your creations. Thank you very, very much for joining me today. It's not my best day for talking, but I hope you could still enjoy the video. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.